We have new CAD renders of the design of the iPhone 11, and it looks better, but it's still ugly. It looks like Intel wants to sell their smartphone modem department to Apple, or at least they wanted to, and Amazon wants to make one-day free shipping a standard for all Prime users. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from IFA GPC Day 1. It's been a crazy amount of power briefings. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by the OnePlus 7 Pro. The official news today begin with deals. Apple Watch Series 4 is the one I recommend most for Apple. It's currently available in refurbished options in the Apple Store, and you can get from $60 to $110 in a discount. Again, this is the one that I would recommend you get. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the Verizon Galaxy S10 5G, which pre-orders have pretty much just begun. You're going to get your unit by May 16th. The price tag, $1,300 for, depending on the storage variant that you want, up to $1,400 or $1,500 if I got it right. Obviously, yes, it's 5G, but no, there is no 5G yet in certain areas where it's transitioning. So yeah, that's the price. Now let's talk about Amazon, as the company's CFO just came on record stating that they're working hard on making Prime a one-day thing. Currently it's a 2-day. In the past you had the option to pay a little more for a 1-day. I don't see that option in my Prime account now, but apparently the company is working hard on figuring out how to making Prime a one-day thing across for every user. Now obviously it's going to take some time, and it's not going to happen for every user at the same time, so check your account. Now let's talk about Apple and Intel, as well, you know all the drama that happened between Apple and Qualcomm, and the fact that Intel is no longer in the modem business, or the 5G business pretty much for that matter. As it turns out, a new development arise. It turns out that Apple was trying to buy the business from Intel. Apparently, Intel is currently losing up to $1 billion in it, so obviously they were looking for a buyer. And yeah, apparently Cupertino wanted to work on this. There are rumors that they might still buy as a solution for you know what, so we'll see about that. And finally, the hottest news today, if you would account for the fact that the new camera hump on the iPhones is going to look like a stove, pun intended. Definitely, my God. Okay, so we've got video renders of the iPhone 11, the stove design in the back, which is totally not Johnny Ive, no symmetry whatsoever in that camera design, but apparently it will be getting more flush to the chassis. It seems that the notch is getting smaller. It seems that we've got a new mute slider. You know, I asked Diego and he's like, oh my God, this design is growing on me. I don't like it, but in the comments down below, let me know. Do you think that this looks more bearable or not? Because again, my God, this is ugly, but this is just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. And folks, as you know, it's OnePlus 7 Pro on May 14th. I will be covering the event in New York City. And you can join whether in New York, London, or Bengaluru in India. Tickets are $20. You get a chance to be among the first in the world to get your hands on one, plus get swag. Tickets will sell out, so don't wait. Follow the link in the description below to learn more. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.